Hello everybody. I figured I would make a part 2 on this spring. The Yamaha part number for the Yamaha Virago, and probably other Yamahas too, retains a plate. And if that plate is not retained, it puts that spring pressure into your clutch pack. A lot of the clutch packs will include this spring, but they include a 3mm. You want 2.6mm. Don't know why they include a thicker one, probably because people remove that spring, but that spring is critical. So this is how I ended up having to install it. I just compressed the spring so I can get to the groove, and even doing this, keeping it really loose, was a pain in the ass to get it in the hole. Right there. But you have to make sure it's all the way in the groove. If you're outside one, just slightly off, it's a pain in the butt. So then I'm going to assume the way these springs are cut or folded, you're going to have tabs hang on each of them, and it looks like if you try to put it in one way, they won't go in. So you have to put it in with the tabs, one facing outward, one facing inward. And let's release this after we give Cotty cookies, because she's being a very, very good girl. We'll give Cotty greasy hand cookies. I think the flux gets her higher or something when I'm working. But is flux like kitty nip? No. Or is it kitty relax? Kitty heroin? Okay. But yeah, that's how I did it. There's probably a better way to do that. You motorcycle experts comment and see if that's a better way to do it, or comment your better way to do it. Sometimes my words don't come out the way I'm thinking them. But yeah, I will come back when the bike's finished, or when I got the clutch installed. I might do a part 3, I might not. So we'll catch y'all later.